Hello friends, it's Running Kimono, and today's video is kind of like a cautionary tale, sort of. One of you guys reached out to me, a subscriber by the name of Josh. I will leave his TikTok video linked in the notes if you wish to watch it, and you don't need a TikTok, you just have to press it and you can watch it. So this was last Saturday, just to give you the backstory. I'm not going to play the video, but if you wish to watch it, it's about 6 minutes long, and it's something to watch, guys. So essentially, he was at a Family Dollar trying to do a 5 off 25. So this was last Saturday, and this came on my radar on Monday. Josh was really upset. I have messaged him before in the past. He's always super enthusiastic about, couponing and any Dollar General clearance event. He does really great hauls and just a really nice guy. And we've messaged for a couple of months, if not longer, but really great hauls. 5 off 25 on Saturdays at both Dollar General and Family Dollar. And with his permission, I'm talking about this as well today. So I did ask. So what's the backstory? He was at this store on a Saturday, and the 5 off 25 was not coming off, and that's when the cashiers were trying to help and they couldn't figure it out. And he's a pretty good Family Dollar shopper. He's out there quite a bit, and nothing would go for him. So they were like, you're going to have to wait for the manager. And when the manager walked through the door, that's when things did not go so well. Again, I encourage you to watch the video. I'm just paraphrasing this. But essentially for Josh, the manager from Go, I don't think he liked couponers, and he refused to give him the $5 back because the 5 off 25 didn't work. And then he also refused to have a return. And a lot of you are like, well, it's just $5. But when gas is $5 a gallon, I think that's an expense that most of us just can't walk away from. It's not like a 25-cent coupon didn't come off. This is $5. And why was he shopping on that Saturday? To get the 5 off 25 with the basket. And he kept cool in this video, guys. And he really, really stood his ground, and there's a lot of emotion in his voice, and I just feel so sorry for him, because I could see the manager was pushing him and pushing him and pushing him for a reaction, and the reaction didn't happen because Josh kept his cool. So I recommend again to watch the video. I'm paraphrasing this, but it is very, very, you can hear the emotion in his voice that, he was pushed a lot on that Saturday. I jotted down a couple things because the more that you coupon, sometimes you'll run into somebody at a store, like a staffer or whatever, and they just want no part of you and your couponing, and they want you out of the store. And I can't recommend enough is no matter what, to stay absolutely cool. Stay cool. It is okay to stand your ground, and any store that you buy something for, you can return it. So the fact that this manager was like, yep, we're not returning anything. I don't know what that was about, but as per the policy anywhere, unless something's on a clearance or something like, a bag of food, you ate half of it. But a lot of places, even look at Aldi, they have that twice as nice policy. You can buy something and return it. Always be respectful because you are being recorded. There's cameras inside of every self-checkout at the front of the store, especially a store that sells like cigarettes and that sort of stuff, beer. There's cameras everywhere. When you leave, your recourse is to call customer service, to speak to a district manager, to talk to a higher up, and they will try to make this right for you. And you have that option. But one thing I can't stress enough is not to take the bait, because I think a lot of times in these sort of situations, and it's happened to me, I can think twice in the last couple years, it happened where you're dealing with a new hire, you're in a new store, you pick the situation, and they want to call you coupon fraud. They don't want to scan your coupons. Even if you're doing a digital deal, they're giving you a difficult time with that. If certain things aren't working, they're giving you a hard time. And, when you're out there trying to save money and this inflation thing is totally out of control and you're trying to save a little bit of money on cleaner or whatever you're buying, I don't think you should have to really justify that. And why this happens, I don't ever fully know. It's just somebody waking up on the wrong side of the bed and really giving you a difficult time. And it could be at a restaurant, it could be anywhere in life. And the most important thing is to really stay cool, because when you are cool, you are in control of the situation. Friends, I encourage you to watch this video. This is a very good teachable moment to really stay cool no matter what. And I look forward to reading your comments in the notes about this, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.